Okay, so today we are looking at Miele dishwashers and what to do if your dishwasher tablet is not being dissolved. So there's a couple things that it could be. The number one is the most simple thing is that you're not putting it in the right place. So your dishwasher tablet should always be placed in the detergent dispenser portion of your dishwasher. And if not, it will be indicated in the manual, but that is generally where your tablet should be placed. The other thing is that the tablets are designed to dissolve under normal conditions. So if you are consistently doing cycles that are low temperature or very short times, you might end up with a not completely dissolved tablet and some remnants being left behind. And then finally, depending on the water hardness, this can impact how quickly the tablets will dissolve, and in some water hardnesses it can actually take up to 2 hours for the tablet to dissolve. So you might need to check your water hardness if you're still having issues with that. Hope this helped, and if it did, please leave a like under the video. Thanks for watching.